What's up, guys? It is your boy Will in another video here on the second channel, Zello 2. Make sure you subscribe to the main channel, youtube.com/Zello. That's where all the real magic happens. But this channel, I do really quick little bits, not polished, just super quick, just talking about crazy things that happen. I think it's really interesting, all the different things that can happen around the internet and around the web. Today's random or crazy thing is, if you guys know, I'm a designer. I do a lot of stuff. I have Affinity and Photoshop and Illustrator opened right now with different projects that I was working on. But Adobe hit me with a bill, $780 pre-tax, after tax, $840 to renew my subscription. That's what started me on this wanting to learn Affinity, train, and creating the series, really starting to make content again even, was because I was like, oh man, I got to learn this new platform because I don't want to be paying $840. I agree the ROI is there. I think you do one project for a brand guide that's $2,500. You already have a return on your investment, and you can keep making more projects and doing things like that. It enables my career, my work. Every dollar I make is because I'm skilled in Photoshop, Illustrator, and Adobe platforms. So I see the value. I understand. I get it. I don't think they're overpriced. Unfortunately, I think they could charge more. But I have not paid up until this year more than like $150 a year for Adobe. And so when you think about an 8x kind of increase in your cost on it, that just stings a little bit. And you're like, okay, well, it's a tool. Can I accomplish this with different tools? That begins to be the question. So I hadn't renewed. I've been waiting because it was supposed to expire at the end of November, and learning Adobe, making the videos, having a grand old time, just enjoying it. And then I got an email saying that Creative Cloud Pro was 50% off. 50, 30, 50% off. And I knew I was going to resubscribe to Adobe anyway. It's hard to, I don't do freelance right now. I have a job. And in the job, um, I don't really do a lot of freelance. So it's like, if I don't personally subscribe to Adobe and I'm using, Affinity or other platforms for my fun, other creative projects, not the end of the world. But I was like, I'm going to resubscribe anyway, just because like it is what I know and what I like to do and all of that kind of stuff. So I was like, I'm going to resubscribe. I can't do freelance. I'm not really going to get an ROI on it. I'm just going to bite the bullet and do it. But then I got hit with the 50% off, and I was like, well, I guess it's my time to pay up. And it cost me $420, 420, let's go. But it cost me $420 to renew, which is crazy. It's still 4x my normal cost. They're easing me in. They're like, okay, this year he'll pay last year he paid 150. This year he'll pay 420. Next year we can get him on the 800. Maybe after that it'll be 1,500 a year. I don't know. I'm sure they would love to charge as much as they could. But I just wanted to bring awareness to the fact that Adobe is having 50% off right now. Black Friday sales, say 50% on Creative Cloud Pro, ends November 8th. And that works for students as well. The full Creative Cloud Pro is $20 a month, which still seems high for that. I feel like that is $240, which is still, I guess, more than others that I've seen for business. Gosh, I can't believe the business Creative Cloud Pro is freaking $100 a month normally, and Adobe Substance 3D Collection is $120. I wonder if that's really cool. Model texture and 3D render assets and scenes. That actually might be pretty sick. I might have to experiment with a little bit of that. I think 3D is coming back from the time, but you can get it for $420, 50% off. The whole package, which, I mean, like, just photography in Lightroom and Photoshop is $20 a month. So, I mean, $15 more a month and you're getting the whole shebang. So I think that is really good deal. So anyway, I just want to bring awareness and attention to you guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. This is my second channel. I'm doing the short tutorials. I'm doing the really short videos on this channel, whereas the main channel, I've done a little more long form. But subscribe to the main channel, youtube.com/Zello, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.